you know it, stop your feet, stop your feet. And if you're hypey and you know it, show your teeth, show your teeth. And if you're stupid and you know it, show it, get that push up on your kids. Holler, see, I'm a city boy, just call me pretty boy. But if you know me, you know that I'm only beating boy. You know what? Don't let the world pull us up. Don't let them know it's over.
Making his TWF in-ring debut, make some noise for Jack Moves! And his opponent, led to the ring by Alex Mora.
I just have one thing to say. This guy, we don't even know who the fuck this is. This is a waste of our time. Colombian Firecracker is much too good to be in an opening match. Anyway, and then against some nobody. Fuck this shit. We're out of here.
Sissy Lala! Sissy Lala! Sissy Lala! Hey, you're out of here!
Yes, I will. Good guy.
You'll be back.
Of all the cheap, dirty things to do, Colombian Firecracker just jumped Jack Moves in his TWF debut. Come on. Colombian now says he's too good to wrestle the opening match. Yeah, that will get you a lot of brownie points with the upper echelon of TWF.
Colombian Firecracker taking advantage of the rookie.
Oh, and shoots him in. Big time clothesline. Oh, Jack Moves has got to feel like $1 million right now. Big right hands to the face. This is his debut. He's been training for months for this moment, and now it's a reality, Dick Pearsall.
He's a pretty big guy. He's got Colombian against the ropes.
Well, Colombian Firecracker, no slouch. Former TWF champion. Oh, and Jack Moves telegraphed that move. Colombian burying the shoulders.
And that's exactly what you can expect from a rookie. A lot of mental mistakes. Oh, and Colombian Firecracker, the veteran that he is, taking advantage.
Colombian now with offense. Look at this. Yeah, Colombian said he was too good to wrestle the opening match, but yeah, clobbers him from behind.
Hey, lesson number one, kid. I hope he's taking notes, Jacoby Jones. Look at this.
Suplex, perhaps.
Does he got the strength?
Jack Moves is a larger guy, blocks the suplex. Small package.
Wow. Oh, man.
Almost an enormous upset. Colombian answers with a drop kick right to the kisser, and Jack Moves is showing me a thing or two.
He is showing us a thing or two.
Knee drop across the jaw. That might be the stiffest knee drop in the business. Oh, and one more very long 2 count, but not 3.
He took that knee drop. I was thinking if he was going to stay down for the 3 count, show if he has a class jaw or not.
DDT and Colombian Firecrackers building some momentum here, opening contest here at Doomsday, but once again, Jack Moves gets that shoulder up. He shows these people he wants to be here. He trained for months.
You can train, you can lift weights, you can do all you want, but if you can't take a punch or you can't take a beating, you can't be a wrestler.
Definitely true, and now Colombian Firecracker squeezing on the carotid artery, trying to get a sleeper victory.
Very cagey, very smart. This could be it. It's sleepy time.
One more time and it's over.
The sleepy time tea has been drank and that's it. It's over.
No, Jack Moves ain't done yet. Jack Moves ain't done yet. Don't stick a fork in him at all. Elbow to the gut. One more time. Colombian Firecracker broke the hold.
Oh, and the rookie is firing back. Look at this guy.
Shoots him in now. Clothesline. Oh, no, he caught him. He caught him. Oh, there's the overdose. There's the overdose from Colombian. And now, oh, no. Drug Rings of Colombia. Damn it. Damn it. Drug Rings of Colombia.
And it is locked on. He's going to be... That he said no, he said yes. Ring it.
He's got nowhere to go. Center of the ring. Win for the Colombian Firecracker.
Ladies and gentlemen, here's your winner, Colombian Firecracker.
Jack Moves showed a ton of promise.
All right, Colombian Firecracker is still too good for the first match. This match should be the main
Yeah,
event.
creepy.
But Commissioner Tara, she's running a TWF that looks like America. It just likes to shit on brown people to get a cheap reaction out of a bunch of inbred fucking hick rednecks. Fuck all of you. And fuck Commissioner Tara. Fuck TWF.
Alex Morrow says it's over.
Called it.
Yeah, you won, big deal. Well, here's the beginning of the end here. Overdose, drops him on his face, turns him over. Drug Rings of Colombia, absolutely, positively nowhere for Jack Moves to go in his TWF debut. A nice showing, but in the end, Colombian Firecracker, too experienced in that squared circle, and a win for Colombian.
We all knew it was over before it even started. He had a couple of moves, but Columbia was way too... Oh, come on.
And a very nice ovation. Definitely his best days are yet to come. We call him Jack Moves.
Hang your head, you lost, you dope.